Kimberly Soriano Molina, born July 1, 1991, popularly known as Kim Molina, is a Filipino singer and actress. Known for portraying Eileen in the long-running Filipino stage musical Rack of Aegis 2014 to 2019, Savannah in the drama series Kadining Ginto 2018, Hang in the digital event movie Mamal Nights 2019, and Elsa in the mainstream film #JOWABLE 2019. Molina grew up in Saudi Arabia, where her parents work. Her father is a well-established dentist. She studied in Al Jazeera International School in Dammam. In August 2024, Gerald Naples and Molina announced their engagement 10 years after they first met at the Pitta Theater. They eventually married on March 1, 2026. Singing. Molina started singing at the age of 2. She began performing as front act to local Filipino artists in the Middle East shows at the age of 5. At 14, she won ABS-CBN's Middle East search for the Filipino channel Popstar, besting winners from Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, and Dubai. In 2009, she was chosen to represent the Middle East for the World Championships of the Performing Arts in Los Angeles, California. She was a multi-medalist and was awarded the title Senior Grand Champion Vocalist of the World. Theater. As a stage actress, she had her professional theater debut with Viva Atlantis' production of Disney's Tarzan in 2013. She was then included in the original Asian cast of Carrie, the musical as Frida, and played the role of Oda Mae Brown's younger sister Louise in the musical stage adaptation of the movie Ghost, both under Atlantis Productions. In June 2014, Molina got her first lead theater role as Eileen, alternating with Acel Santos, in the hit Pinoy musical Rack of Aegis. For her performance in Rack of Aegis, she was awarded Best Actress in a Musical by Gawad Bahay. She then landed projects for television and film. In March 2023, Molina returned to the theater scene as Jaja Zadarna in Jaja Zadarna, the musical. Yan Lang, produced by the Ateneo Blue Repertory and under the direction of Missy Maramara. Television and film. At the 2015 Metro Manila Film Festival, she earned a Best Supporting Actress Award nomination for her portrayal of Luli in #WALANG Forever, which starred Jenny Lynn Mercathaw and was directed by Dan Villegas. In 2016, she became a talent of Viva Films. In the same year, she starred in Camp Sawi alongside Bela Padilla, Archie Munoz, Yassi Pressman, and Andy Eigenman. In 2017, Molina was awarded Best Performance by a Female Recording Artist in the Awit Awards for her debut single Naluluha Ako under Viva Records. She starred alongside Sarah Geronimo in the 2018 Philippine adaptation of the Korean movie musical Miss Granny. In 2019, Molina top-billed in 2 films. First, in the digital Ewant movie Mammal Nights alongside actor Kit Thompson, then in #JOWable. Because of the box office success of her films that year, she was awarded Most Promising Female Star for Movies at the 51st Guillermo Mendoza Awards 2020 Box Office Entertainment Awards. In October 2020, she was chosen to be one of the celebrity judge detectives of Masked Singer Pilipinas, the Philippine edition of the Masked Singer franchise that followed a second season on 2022. She also hosted the second season of Born to be a Star alongside Matteo Guidicelli. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Default text, please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs.